Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE. And on this Jaguar XE we're going to go over how you can replace your two light bulbs. This is your low beam, high beam, daytime. Well, the daytime running is this LED strip here, as well as you got an LED side marker. So if these aren't working, you'll need to replace the whole headlight housing assembly. This is a high beam, low beam, and this is your turn indicator light. These can be accessed without removing the whole headlight assembly. You will need to remove your air box. You've got two air boxes, one on each side, but you've got this air box with your air filter in it. So you'll need to remove this. There's one bolt right here that you remove, and then you'll need to undo this clamp here to be able to get this out. Undo this electric connector that connects into your mass airflow sensor on both sides. You'll have to do that. But also, then once you've removed that, then you'll need to just kind of pop it up. We've got these little tabs that stick into some grommets. So you've got to pop it up and pull it out this way to unhook it from the intake system itself. And then you would set that aside, and then you would be able to reach down here and undo the covers to replace the lights, your turn indicator, and your other light here, which this one's an HID light, and so that's very high voltage, so you'll want to make sure that you're taking care when you do that. Now, there is also access port if with the fender well in that you can unscrew a cap and be able to reach up in there, but I'm going to just remove the headlight assembly to be able to show you the back portion of it and what you're looking at. And it's going to be easier than trying to have it viewed from down here. But it is possible to do it without removing the headlight. So with our headlight removed, we can now have access to the back portion, and we'll just need to twist this cap, a quarter turn to the counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to reach down in here to get to the this would be the turn indicator light. So you just need to pull out on it, and it pulls to remove. Then once you've got it out here, you'll want to use a smaller screwdriver or something to be able to pull this out. You want to pull this out as one full unit, so when you put the new one in, it goes in. If you pull on this, you can sometimes break it off. Then you'll still have to pull it all out, but that's how you would remove it. So this light bulb here for your turn indicator is on your front one, this is it's a 1217 natural amber light bulb. Can't really see the natural amber color on here, but it does show through when you turn the blinker on or when you turn the turn indicator on. So you would just get a new 1217 light bulb and be able to take it. You're going to line it up. You got the two flat sides. Line it up and just press it in until it seats in the bottom. And then the same thing, you're going to line it up down in there. There's the tab on the top and the bottom, and you just press it straight in. And then once that's connected, then you'll want to make sure that you put your little cover back on. These can be a little bit interesting to line up by getting the right go. And we have that installed, quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. So that's how you would replace your turn light indicator. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.